know, this little camera and this thing is pretty damn good. A little deeper here.
Today's best country chicken 100.5 liters of Holmes, John, Michael Montgomery, couple of other things happening in chicken country. We take your lunch at Rookies. Summer Art Festival starting today. Over 200 artists across the nation. Well, they're trying to peddle their wares. If you were handcrafted works of art, food vendors, historic and antique booths, children's very live entertainment. It's awesome. You can find the details at chicken.com by going to news and info. And also, it's Animal Enrichment Day at the Great Plains Zoo. You can find out animal behaviors, how staff takes care of the animals on a daily basis.